Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating OE error code on your LG top-load washing machine, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself. Let's dive in. First off, what does OE stand for? It's short for overflow error, which basically means your washing machine has detected too much water in the tub. This can stop the cycle dead in its tracks, leaving you with a machine full of water and no clean clothes. Don't panic. This is a common issue and often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the causes. The OE error typically occurs due to a few key problems. One common culprit is a clogged drain hose or pump, which prevents water from draining properly. Another possibility is a faulty water inlet valve that's letting in too much water. Sometimes, it's as simple as a kinked hose or even a pressure switch that's gone haywire. In rare cases, it could point to a more serious issue like a malfunctioning control board, but we'll focus on the easier fixes first. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your washing machine and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. This alone might clear the error. Next, check the drain hose, make sure it's not kinked, clogged, or installed too low. If it's blocked, clear it out with a hose or a drain snake. Then, inspect the water inlet valve for any signs of damage or if it's stuck open. You might need to turn off the water supply and replace it if it's faulty. If you're comfortable, test the pressure switch with a multimeter, but if not, it's okay to skip that and call a professional. Once you've tried these steps, plug the machine back in and run a test cycle. If the OE error persists, it might be time to contact LG customer support or a certified technician to avoid any further damage. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing the OE error on your LG top-load washing machine. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the machine before working on it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.